Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna give you some battery tips for your Galaxy Watch Ultra. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have some battery tips that I want to share with y'all for the Galaxy Watch Ultra. You don't have to do any of these, or you can do some of them. If you do anything different, please let me know. I was getting between a day and a half and almost 2 days of battery life before I started doing these. And now I think I'm going on my second day, and I think I'm at like 40-something%. So seems like they're working pretty good. The more you use the watch, yeah, the battery life probably would be a little bit lower, but again, you can set it up the way you want it. If you want it to do different things at different times, you can definitely do so. Again, if you do anything different, please share. That way we can learn from each other. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments. Let's just have a friendly discussion in the comments. The first thing I did, I went ahead and turned off the always on display. I don't need to have that on at all. And how you do that is just go to your settings here and then turn on your always on, turn it off. The other thing I did was the adaptive brightness. I turned that off too. So it's up to you on what you want to do. If you need the always on display, then go for it. If not, you don't need it. Also, what I did was when I went to the settings, I noticed that it was trying to take my heart rate all the time. Like it was measuring all the time. So I took that off. And then, or you can do it every 10 minutes while still. I just did it. I'm going to do it myself when I want to. So I don't need to have it in my heart rate at every minute of the day. Now, if you have heart problems or you need to have that, then keep it on there. But if you want to, turn that off. The other thing that you can do is under battery, you can limit your health features if you want to. I have it off right now. I had it on before, but if you want to increase your battery, you can definitely do that also. That will definitely help your battery. Also, what I did was turn off Wi-Fi. If I don't need Wi-Fi, I turn it off. Right now it's on because I was using it to update something. But if you turn that off, you get a lot better battery too because it's Bluetooth connected. But if you need it, then you always have it there. It's easy to turn on and off too. But if you just have it by your phone, you don't really need the Wi-Fi. So that's up to you. The other thing I did too, because I don't have LTE to this watch and I don't think I ever will, what I did was I went to connections at the top. And right here, you can turn off the network. It will say you can do auto, always on, or always off. Turn it off if you don't have it. Even if you have it and you have your phone with you, turn it off so that way you can save some battery. You don't have to worry about it switching on and off without you knowing about it. And that will definitely help the battery too. So turn that off. Even if you have Wi-Fi, just turn it off. It helps out the battery a lot. The other thing that I did was I went ahead and removed all the bloatware apps on here. I still have some more apps that I can remove and some more I can put on too, but remove the bloatware apps that you don't want on here or you don't use, and that will help out your battery life a lot too. The other thing I did was on the phone, let me bring up the app real quick. I went into the watch settings, I went into notifications here, and I turned off everything I don't want. Like, I don't need Snapchat reminding me, I don't need Facebook. I think I have my email, I have YouTube notifications, messages, stuff like that on there. That will help your battery life a lot too. I don't need to know if I'm getting a Facebook like or Facebook message on there or Twitter message. None of that really matters to me. So if you turn that off, you'll definitely get better battery life too. And it just makes it a whole lot better for you and get you longer battery life. The other thing I noticed too, let's check out my battery usage in here. Let's see. Let's go to this app. I think it's better on the app too. Let's see. So right here it tells me I'm 1 day, 22 hours into it, and the assistant has used 23%. I think I can even get longer battery life and maybe even keep the Wi-Fi on if I don't know why. I already uninstalled and reinstalled Google Assistant, and it's taking 23% of the battery, which is crazy for me to think about. So the other thing that you can do is go ahead and remove Google Assistant. Just use Bixby if you want to. Use your phone for Google. Now, if you have LTE and you're running and you are, using your watch as your phone, then yeah, you may want to have Google Assistant on just so you can have it for emergency purposes or everything else that you need. Then you may want to go ahead and keep that on there. But for me, it's not a big deal. I might actually uninstall it, and I just use Bixby if I need to, or I just use my phone. Google Assistant's using 23%, but I'm still at 45%, and it's 2 hours away from being 2 days off of the charge, which is probably the best battery life I'm getting on this watch so far. So those were some of the tips. The other tips I have, I could throw an extra one in there. Try to keep your brightness as low as possible. That's up to you, how low you want your brightness. That's one option you can always do. Again, limit the apps on here. But y'all let me know if y'all have any other tips or tricks that you use for your battery life. And if you learned something, let me know in the comments. Hopefully this was a little bit useful for y'all. I just want to share my experiences with the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Also, make sure if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.